Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious peanut butter milkshake, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of cold milk, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and about 1/2 cup of your favorite peanut butter. Don't forget a touch of sugar or honey if you like it sweeter. Having everything ready makes the blending process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to the blending. Pour your 1 cup of cold milk into the blender first. This helps the other ingredients mix more easily. Then, add your 2 cups of vanilla ice cream and the 1/2 cup of peanut butter. If you're adding any sweetener, like 1 tablespoon of sugar, now is the time. Secure the lid firmly to prevent any spills. It's time to blend your milkshake to perfection. Start blending on a medium setting, then increase to high. Blend for about 30 to 60 seconds or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If you notice any unmixed bits, stop the blender, scrape down the sides with a spatula, and continue blending. For a thinner shake, add 1 or 2 tablespoons more milk. Your delicious peanut butter milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the thick, creamy shake into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, you can garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or even a sprinkle of chopped peanuts. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed fresh, so serve it right away and savor every delightful sip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.